We fully back Mkhwanazi, General Mkhwanazi. We believe that we need to get rid of this corruption. We believe that in this country we don't actually have a racism problem, we've got a corruption problem. So us from the Bluff community are here to show full support for Mkhwanazi, and we back him all the way.
100%. Thank you so much for your time. Just as we go this way, you know, what we've been told is that this has been organized by civil society, but obviously everyone is welcome, and that includes political parties, which have also showed up, and that's what they've done. So you're seeing various groupings that have come together here, and you almost see them gathered in pockets, but the message that they are putting forward is the same. The march is expected to get underway in the next short while. It's going to be quite a walk as the protesters move from here and they move all the way down to Hoy Park. That's where they'll be ending this march, and that's where they'll also be expected to deliver a memorandum.